Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Liz. Thank you so much for clicking on this video today. Today we have a what is gonna trend in autumn or fall 2024 this year. A lot of looks that people think that are gonna sort of trend this fall and autumn. So I'm gonna do this little mini series where I'm gonna recreate sort of like what people are thinking are gonna trend this year. And this is the first one. So this is the no mascara with a bold lip. Before we begin though, if you aren't subscribed to my channel, then please consider subscribing and make sure your post notifications are turned on so you don't miss out on any of my videos in the future, and or if I do more of these looks in this series, you don't want to miss them. And make sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you do enjoy it, and I will do more makeup tutorials. So if you want to see how I created this no mascara, bold lip, bronzy skin, autumn 2024 trending makeup, then keep on watching. Okay, so I've come up with a new series to try on my channel. I hope you guys like it because I came up with it this morning and decided to film this video. So here we are. We're filming it. I'm going to be doing the what people think are going to trend in autumn 2024. I've seen some cool stuff, so I've decided to do a little mini series here on my channel, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. If you do, then let me know in the comments. Let's get started. I'm going to be doing the no mascara with a bold lip. So here's some photos I'll pop on the screen here. It looks interesting. So let's get straight into the makeup. I'm first, of course, going to take a primer. This is the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer plus 4% niacinamide. This is going to keep our skin hydrated and nourished, but it's going to make the foundation tacky to the skin. Even though this is going to grip the makeup, it's also going to hydrate as well. We're going in with quite a matte base today, so this is going to help. I already did my eyebrows off camera because that's just how I do it. Okay, so once the primer starts getting tacky, that's when you know to stop blending it out. So then I'm going to take a pore filling primer, just because that's for my skin type. If you've got more dry skin, you don't necessarily have to go in with this, but I get oiliness and pores around my nose and my chin, so that's why I'm using it, just to double prime. This is really good stuff as well. It's the liquid version of the putty primer, so if you don't get on with the putty primer in like the pot, you would probably prefer this, and I'm really pushing that into the skin. Then I'm going to take a more matte foundation. This is the HMB Cosmetics Silky Matte Weightless Foundation, and this is such a nice coverage as well. And you're going to take one and a half pumps of that, just because this is like a fresh look, so that's what we're going to keep it like. Obviously you can make it glowy if you want to, but I'm going to keep it matte and sultry, you know. This foundation has a weird smell to it. Got a spot by here, get rid of that. Using your finger to work this in would really help blend it and sort of marinate it to the skin. Just make it feel and look more seamless. And I'm just going to blend that out with a brush. This is a little bit dark for me, but I've only got like a light tan on at the moment. This foundation blends out so seamlessly. It is really, really good. I really like to work my foundation into my skin and until my arm starts hurting, to be honest. That's better. It's not so zoomed in now. Okay, so then next, the concealer I'm going to go in with is the MAC Studio Radiance 24-Hour Luminous Lift Concealer. This is my absolute favourite concealer at the moment. It's my go-to. I love it. Since it came out, I haven't put it down. So I'm just going to leave it under my eyes like that to marinate. And I'm going to go in with the Doll Beauty Gimme Contour Magic Wand in the shade Medium Deep. I absolutely love this stuff. It's so creamy and buildable. So I'm going to focus this quite high up because I want to sculpt my face. And we are going for quite a bronzy look today, because literally not putting anything on the eyes apart from like a little bit of bronze. So we're gonna make the skin and the lips especially the main sort of look. So let's do it quite early before I forget. If you watch my videos, you'll know what this segment is about. If you have watched to this part, pop in the comments a lipstick emoji with a red heart emoji because of the bold lips. I do this because sometimes people watch my videos and they don't interact, and I just want to interact with you guys, so it's nice to leave a comment and it shows you guys are watching and enjoying my videos. So leave a lipstick and red heart emoji and that lets me know you are watching. Thank you so much to everyone who does it. Okay, so now I'm going to just put a little bit of concealer on the rest of my face. What I've noticed as well, the difference is when I put concealer under my contour or bronzer. This makes one hell of a difference. If you haven't tried this concealer yet, guys, please put it in your basket and buy it because you won't be disappointed. I've got the shade NC15, by the way. So of course, going in, blending that out with my favourite concealer brush. You can definitely tell a difference when you do this, so definitely give it a go. Should have just done one side just to show you guys. Maybe next time. Remind me. So now going in with one of my favourite powders of all time, the Huda Beauty Pound Cake, on of course a sponge, not a sponge, a puff. Making sure all the creasing is gone, and whilst looking up, set that and dry. I think you all know what I'm going to go in for powder bronzer. MAC Dark Tan, my absolute go-to and will forever and always be. I like to take this on a big, sort of like, not fluffy but not dense brush, and I always start with my forehead, don't know why, just do. Again, gonna really bronze my skin. Even though the summer's over, I still want to be golden. Now you're probably all thinking, Liz, why haven't you gone in with liquid or cream blush? Well, because we're going to be doing a bold lip, I thought I'm just going to go in with one blush today. I know, but it makes sense because I'm going in with a cream to powder blush. This is the MAC Glow Play Cushiony Blush, which I kindly got gifted to me when I went on my MAC training. This is the shade Ginger Look, and I thought this would be the perfect, most beautiful blush to use today because it's got colour to it, but it's not like wow colour, but it's like quite a neutral, like pinky tone. We're going to take it on sort of like a dense but like fluffy brush. I don't want to ruin it. Oh yeah. These are so good because you can get good pigment with them, but they're buildable. And they're very cushiony and they work on top of cream and powder. They're very versatile. I'm sorry, look at that. That is absolutely stunning. I'm going to try not to go too ham because we all know I have blush blindness, if that even means anything. I absolutely love it. What can I say, guys? MAC products are just so good. So I'm just gonna take a little, do they take bronzer on the lids? I'm literally gonna take the teeniest, tiniest bit of my dark tan bronzer. Don't think they go in with a lot, but I'm just gonna like dust it in my crease just so it sort of blends in with the whole look. When I say the tiniest bit, the tiniest bit. I think this brush had shimmer on it. Kind of wish I got a LVL done for this look. Yeah, see, that's just added a little tiny bit of colour. Nothing too like out there and too much, because we really want the focus to be the lips or the skin, or you know. Now I'm going to take the Fit Me powder just for under my eyes. You'll see the difference in a sec. And I like to take this on my powder puff and just swirl in there a few times. And I'm going to put this right in the corner. And this is going to help brighten my eyes. Take that blush brush and sort of just merge them into one another. So again, even though you're doing like a trend, well, what we think is going to trend, you can make it your own. Like, see how much more brightened that is than that side? That's what I love. And that's what I will continue to do. This powder is so good for this. Even though it's translucent, well, is it translucent? Okay, I just dropped it on the floor. Yeah, it is 100 translucent. It has got a colour to it. I'm sorry, but look, it definitely has. But I'm not mad at it because I like it. In fact, I love it. So before I move on to anything else, I'm going to take whatever's left, the dregs of my MAC Fix Plus, the old one. I'm never going to get rid of this because this is like iconic, and now they've changed the pump. MAC girl, what are you doing? But yeah, I'm going to use this. Hopefully it doesn't put spots on my face. Fan my face until it's dry. I know some people are going to do this trend and not use as much makeup. Obviously, if that's something you're looking for, this isn't the right video for you because I love makeup. I like to plaster my face in makeup, and I feel like when you've got a bold lip on, a bronze skin, just looks so good. Just looks weird with no mascara. Obviously, you could even just put a bold lip and a little bit of blush on and no mascara and you're done. But I mean, this is a makeup tutorial. Again, you can put on a highlighter, or you can definitely make your skin more glowy if you wanted that. But again, this isn't the video for that. Because I'm going to go in now with the MAC Studio Fix Powder Foundation. Now guys, I absolutely love this for adding more sort of coverage just around like sort of my jaw area and around my nose to stop the like oiliness coming through. I'm going to wait a little bit longer because, yeah, I don't want it to be wet because it can ruin it. It does look alright actually. So I'm going to go in with a big fluffy brush, not with loads. But this just helps it last a lot longer as well throughout the day. Especially like brides, or like this would look stunning on photos. This is just going to help all the products merge together. I have the shade NC30, by the way. It's not as dark as my foundation, but I don't want it to darken anything. So if anything, I want it to brighten. Yeah, that looks stunning. Okay, so now for the main event. It's a MAC lip, obviously. I'm gonna go in first with Ruby Woo lip pencil. Now this is quite scary. It's quite a bright pencil. It's quite a bright red. There is other shades you could use, but this is just the one that I have accessible to me. So that's the one I'm going to use. So this is the very delicate part. So I'm not going to speak. Okay, whew. That's the worst part done. So now I'm going to take the MAC Russian Red, which is a little bit darker than this lip liner, but we'll sort that out in a second. How stunning does that Ruby Woo look with a bronze skin? Stunning. Absolutely stunning. Oh, that is the most perfect combination. And then just to be extra and for definition, I'm going to use Cork lip liner just to darken up like the Cupid's bow and like around the lip. I'm hoping this isn't going to ruin it because I haven't done this before, but we'll see. Yeah. That's better. That's grungier. It's a little bit less Christmas, if you know what I mean. I'll come back in a sec. I'm going to sort my hair out and stuff, and then I'll show you the final look. Okay, guys, my hair's wild, so ignore that. But how insane does this look? Love it. I was going to set my face with the Beauty Bay Mattifying Setting Mist, just to lock everything in. I'm gonna try and not get it in my hair. And that is the final look. Love it. Let me know what you guys think of this makeup trend. Fall autumn 2024 makeup trend. No mascara with a bold lip. Let me know as well if you'll be trying it out. And let me know if you've seen a trend you want me to try next in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, then please consider subscribing to my channel and make sure your post notifications are turned on so you don't miss out on any of my future videos, especially if I do another autumn makeup trend in the series. Don't want to miss it. And if you enjoyed this video, then give it a big thumbs up and I will do another one maybe next week. I hope you have a lovely day or evening wherever you are, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys!